Dr. Ajay Seth, the Chief Medical Officer of Vasanai Hospital, Begumpet branch. I am specialist in cataract and phaco surgeries. In cataract surgeries, what generally happens is that the patient develops an opacity in the lens of the eye and he starts seeing things which are blurred and has difficulty in seeing things at night initially, and subsequently he will have absolutely difficulty in doing his normal routine work in day-to-day activities as well. Cataract surgery is a very small surgery which takes about 10 to 15 minutes, and the patient can have his sight restored fully after the surgery. He can go back to work after 2 to 3 days, and he has to take precautions for around 15 days and use medications in the eye for 1 month. Cataract surgery should not be delayed by anyone because decreased vision can have other complications as having increased risk of accidents. Apart from that, the patient may also have secondary complications like glaucoma. So anyone having any difficulty in vision should promptly visit the eye specialist, and we welcome you all to come for a checkup at Vasan's Eye Care Center, either at Begumpet or any other branch which are in Hyderabad, or you could visit any other doctor nearest to you, but do not neglect your eyes. Thank you. The treatment cost varies from 6,000 to 1 lakh depending on the package, but 1 lakh should not inhibit anyone because they are very high-end lenses, but a normal man can even do with lesser packages ranging from 6, 12, 18 and 25,000. No, there is no such age limit. Cataract can occur even in small children at birth, though generally it is associated with old age, but it is known to be found at birth in small children, even in teenagers. It can even occur after an injury, an accident. After the surgery, the patient should wear dark glasses. He should use his medications regularly. He should not touch his eye with unclean objects. Should stay away from small children and should use his medications regularly, and should take rest for about 4 to 7 days and then do light work for around 1 month.